Hey guys, welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. So today we are featuring the Sony RX100 Mkiii, and I want to show you how to change the battery. It's very simple. The camera top is here. This is the back with the screen, and on the bottom you can see here there's a little indicator. You slide that sideways, you can open the door, and then you have to push the little blue tab that way as the arrow is indicating. You push it out, battery pops out, and you have it in your hands. These are the batteries that you should use. I recommend you use the original ones. They kind of are more expensive but last longer, hold the charger longer too. And when you want to insert it, there's a wrong way and a right way. So I'm going to try to do it the wrong way, and you'll see it won't click in. And then if we pull it out, flip it around, and put it back in, you'll see that it snaps in there. Then you can just push it down, lock it again, and your battery is changed. So yeah, that's how you change the battery on a Sony RX100 Mkiii. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.